What is up, guys? It's Jeff, aka Pumpkin Spice, coming at you from the kitchen sink. And we got Farmhouse today. We're gonna go over Farmhouse, push for the security side. Farmhouse, I'm gonna do a little bit of defending too. We stopped him at B. I don't know what to say. That's where we're gonna end it. But anyway, yeah, so apologize anybody's been trying to catch me on Twitch. Apparently I've been putting the wrong Twitch link down below. I don't know why, but I spelled my name wrong on Twitch. So instead of Pumpkin Spice, it's the real Pumpkin Spice, not Pumpkin Spice. I forgot the P. I don't know how that fucking happened. I made sure it didn't happen anywhere else, but it happened on Twitch. So that'll be updated in the description down below. We're gonna stick with the free form, just walk through the map as we're playing, whatever. If I see something that I don't like, or that I do like, or some angles that I like, I'm pointing them out, and that's it. We'll keep it like that. It's very simple. I'll try and keep my comments to a minimum, even though I don't, because there's a lot of new players right now, and it's very hard for me to, being that I'm like, almost level 600 or whatever. So bear with me on that. I'm getting very stubborn and curmudgeon-y in my old age, because I'm old now apparently. Anyway, this is Farmhouse, push security. Let's watch. When we start out, oh gosh, he's gonna get fucking muted. Yep, muted. Okay, so at the far end of this road coming up here, right after this bend, there's always somebody sniping there. Why there's somebody not sniping there, I have no idea, but usually there is. They're usually down that way, close to the walls. The next area I want to point out, this is a fucking death zone. Where I'm at right now is a fucking death zone. With the right person, I got 2 nades on here yesterday, actually, right after they spawned, first spawn. All right, right up here though, on the other side of this, there's that wall. That wall is where a lot of people sit at. I usually sit there and wait for people to come around and see, like in the top of that building. That's C alternate, I think. I'm not sure. But smoke that. Most of our team is dead now. So we're actually just gonna come around right here. We're gonna walk up slowly. Look around. There's always somebody hiding in this house. There's always somebody hiding in here. Try and catch people off guard. And it's always good practice to carry a gas mask, even if you're on security. I always carry one. Because why not? Now, there's somebody around here. I don't know where he's at. I'm listening and I don't hear anything. Why? There he is. Found him. Everything's about... Now, who's getting... Where's he getting shot from? These guys would talk a little bit. Is there somebody in the ruins? Yeah, there's someone forward in the ruins.
Look out! Step back! Shit!
See if I can catch him running by again. There he is. Saw him in the window.
Need an observer! Come to me!
Dude, I am like right here. I'm up your ass. Let him call in whatever he's gonna call in. It's a good angle. Call it.
Let's get a gunship at this
Uh-huh.
Stay to this is observer. We need a gunship over here. Send a gunship.
Now what I like to do now that I'm free, I actually like to come up here and I'll peek around. Anybody camping out that way, you can get some pretty good peeks right there on that broken wall. But apparently we have some snipers to the left. Another thing, I'll get on this ledge right here and I'll peek this right here. You can get anybody in the windows if you're fast enough shot. Alright, let's take it easy, because this is going to be a pain in the ass.
Observer, this is station. We're ready to assist. Just let us know what you need.
Need an observer. Come to me. Hit that position.
Oops, sorry.
Station, this is observer. We're gonna need a gun run right here. This location.
Observer, this is station. We got you. He's inbound. Alright, I'm out. Later.
Smoke that off, because fuck me. We lost 2 waves in that short amount of time. I don't know if we're going to be able to get D. Especially with them moving back up and pushing forward. I'm pushing up to you. You are like under fire and shit. Sometimes you can catch people off guard right here. Yep, see like him? He comes back around this corner. That motherfucker is dead. Fuck. They got me fair and square. So, for this map, I go, I don't know why I got this loadout. Should have stuck with the AKM, actually. We're gonna actually try and get us a, yeah, that's off limits, dude. What all these dudes are doing out here running around, I have no idea. I did get 2 kills with that grenade. There's only one person blocking it. If he gets off of the point, we lost.
Alright, good thing.
There we go. And this is my nice little hidey hole. Oh, I do have it on already.
You little white niggas that play this game.
Nice little hidey hole. Now, like, they're all off point. I'm not going to tell them anything because they're new players. They need to learn.
Today, son.
I fucking missed him. Basically, the name of the game is to camp. I'd like to show you another spot too that I like as well. Is this one, because you can catch that window coming in on the point. Catch anybody coming through that window just from right here. Just throw it away. Situation right here where I'm sitting right here, I need to just throw them away. I don't know if he knows where I'm at. Nope. He doesn't. Okay. That works.
Nice, guys.
33 and 15. That's a pretty good match. All right, guys. So that's Farmhouse. Hit like and subscribe down below. I do this out of my own free will. I don't get paid for it. It's fun. I enjoy it. This is my shit. I love Insurgency. Insurgency is probably the most time I put into a game in a very long time. I didn't even put this much time into the original Insurgency. It's approaching the levels of how much I put into Rainbow Six before jumping into this game. I really do enjoy it, and I love seeing new players out there. So hit like and subscribe. Definitely go to me on Twitch. Put a right link down below, and follow me on there. For the next couple of days, I'll probably only be streaming in 720, 60 frames per second, because my cable provider is supposed to come out and do some shit on Saturday, because apparently my internet's fucked up. But whatever. I'll see you guys next time. We're gonna do Summit next. Peace. Do I go with that, or do I go? I'll go with that. We'll play Observer. That way we get a good overview on everything. Oh, that's empty.